So today we are going to be putting new brakes or high performance brakes on my truck. There's only 2 of them because my truck has drums in the rear. But yeah, we're gonna get into doing that. So hope you like the video. What is all this? Gee. What the freak? Let me see this thing. It's pitted. There's holes in it. I've never seen anything like this. The freak? Something got in there, so it's... What the heck? Okay, so we installed all the brakes. They're all installed and everything. We bled them and everything. So now I gotta do this braking process. So I gotta do 5 aggressive deaccelerations from 40 miles an hour to 10 miles an hour. So I'm just going into the gas station and pulling in and turning around and everything. Just gotta do that 5 times. So I've already done it twice. I gotta do it 3 more. And then I gotta do 5 moderate ones from 35 to 5 miles an hour, which is a little bit less aggressive and then whatever. And then just I gotta drive around for 5 minutes, let the brakes cool down, I guess. And apparently they're broken in. So yeah, I gotta keep doing that for the next 20 minutes or so. So they already oh, that's so bright. They already feel a lot better than they did, so that's good. And we'll update you guys when they're finally broken in and what we think about them. Those were good. Minor deaccelerations from 35 to 5. Gotta drive around, drive normal for 5 minutes to let the brakes cool down, I guess, and then that's done. Okay, so we got done testing them. They're broken in. So far, I guess, how long is that? 25 minutes of driving with them. They, especially the hard braking, they definitely work a lot better. Definitely. I still have drums in the rear, so there's, my rear end is not doing, anything, really. The front end's working pretty well. I mean, I guess I'll find out more when I start driving it more often than just the first half an hour, but for now they work super well, and I would definitely say they're worth it, especially for second gens. Definitely upgrade the brakes if they're not good. And another thing, I'll get into this in another video, upgrade the steering. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Go check out our merch. See you next time. Peace.
You live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like a